it's me, Anastasia, and today we'll be making butter slime. So make sure you guys don't eat this at home because it's not edible. So here's what you're gonna need. Contact solution and baking soda to activate, glue all, clear glue, paint to change the color so it looks like butter, kind of, and Daiso clay. So if you're wondering, Anastasia, why do you have clear glue? Well, because the glue all, whenever I make it, it's like kind of tough and stuff and very rippy. So I feel like the clear glue will make it stretchier and better to play with. So let's get started. So first we're gonna add in our clear glue. Glue all. That's enough for me. Now we're going to add in our clear glue. Now you're going to add a little bit less clear glue than you do with the glue all. So now we're going to mix it up a little bit before we activate it. And when you add clear glue and white glue, it makes it like super glossy. Okay, so now we're going to slowly add in the contact solution and baking soda. And I'm going to add in a little bit at a time because you don't want it to overactivate. And I noticed that when you're making slime, it's kind of like making food, but just don't eat it. Now my slime's kind of starting to come together. But I think it needs a little bit more activator. And once it stops sticking to the bowl, you know that it's getting ready to touch like this. It's in one spot. I think I'm gonna start playing with it now, but you could add in some contact solution to your hand and it will like make the slime not stick to you as much if it's like sticky slime. Oh. And it's okay if it's a little bit sticky because once you knead it with your hands a little bit more, then it will stop sticking. Now I'm gonna add in my Daiso clay. So I have my little mat right here to do it. Now I'm gonna take my Daiso clay and I have it in a bag so it doesn't like get hard and stuff. So you're gonna add like half of the amount of Daiso clay you do have with your slime and stuff. So I think that's good. And if you don't think it's enough and you think you don't like the texture of it, then you could always add more. And it's already starting to come together. And I heard from some YouTube channels that they put glycerin in it to get all the lumps of the clay out, but I don't have any of that. So now I'm gonna add in some of my coloring to make it look like butter. And just to warn you, it kind of melts the slime, so make sure you have activator on hand. But this is only optional, so you don't have to add it in if you don't want to. I just want it to be like realistic. And if you want the paint to like deactivate your slime, I think is the word, then, and you have the right color, then you could always add in some clear glue. I really like this slime. It's very soft and stretchy. And if your texture is kind of hard, you could also let it sit overnight like I did with this other butter slime. And it I guess makes it stretchier and stuff. So, but I think my slime that I made today is better than this one. So now we're gonna have the ultimate test, which one has the better spread like butter. First, we have the overnight one that we're gonna spread. Oh. So that's okay. I've seen it spread better before, so that's why I'm gonna give it a 7. Now we're gonna see the one that I made today. And this one has a chance of winning, I think. Wow, this one is really nice. I think I'm gonna give this one a 9, so that makes this one the winner. Yay. It's so nice and stretchy though, and it also spreads really good. But I think if you want a better, if I had to go based off of color, I would definitely pick the overnight one. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe and like and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Bye!